Hi, my name is Jenny Porsche, and I am one of the district's special education coordinators in early childhood special education. And I want to say welcome to our due process snapshots that we've been doing. Today we're going to be going over the steps that need to be followed once we have received a request for a special education evaluation. The district has 14 calendar days from the time of the request to accept or deny that request through a prior written notice, otherwise known as a PWN. The following slides are going to capture what those 4 steps are, and note that those 4 steps need to be completed within the 14-day calendar timeline. Step 1 is to notify the principal and school psychologist. So once the staff member has received a request, either written or verbal, from a parent or guardian, they must notify the principal and school psychologist that either the request is coming or that you have received that request. Please note that it is very important to document this request and the steps followed under the special education contact log in Infinite Campus. Step 2, the school psychologist contacts the family. So the school psychologist will contact the parent or guardian making that request to discuss the specific concerns they have and to explain the steps of the evaluation process. It is important to document this conversation in the contact log, and then next the school psychologist will add the student to the child study team meeting agenda. Step 3, make determination to accept or deny the request. The school psychologist will add the student to the child study meeting agenda and will then invite the appropriate teachers if necessary. At the child study meeting, the team will review student data and interventions if they apply to determine if the request will be accepted or denied. The team will determine when to meet with the parent or guardian, again within the 14-day calendar timeline. And a notice of team meeting must be created by the school psychologist and sent to the parent or guardian to document the meeting to discuss the request for assessment. Step 4, parent-guardian meeting. A meeting must be held with the parent or guardian to discuss the next steps and whether the district is accepting or denying the request for an evaluation. Data must be used to make this determination. Next steps, how we go about accepting or denying the request for an evaluation. So if the team has decided that they are going to accept the request, an evaluation plan must be created in Infinite Campus, and so that is the PWN for evaluation. That will be provided to the parent or guardian along with a copy of the procedural safeguards. The special education teacher will inform the DPEA, due process educational assistant, of the initial assessment and follow the process. If the district decides to deny the request, at the parent meeting, the team can decide to complete further interventions through the MTSS process and deny the special education request at this time. A prior written notice will be written by the school psychologist within the 14 calendar days, and the procedural safeguards will be sent to the family. Again, very important to document all of the steps in the special education contact log in Infinite Campus. If you have further questions or need assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to your building special ed coordinator or special education supervisor. We are here to help and answer any questions that we can. Thank you for visiting our due process snapshots.